Welcome back, guys. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a poster like this. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So let me close this folder. So first of all, you have to go to the home tab, go to the layout, we'll make it blank, design tab. Alright, so we are changing it to A4. So let's make a portrait like this. Okay, so like this. So first of all, the first thing you have to do there is to again go to the insert tab. From the insert tab, we go to the shapes, and under the shapes we'll move to the down and insert this shape. So just draw the shape. So I'll move it to this side. Okay, so just move it top like this. We are going to edit the points. So someone may ask, how do you edit the points? That's a nice question. That's a nice question. If you have to edit the points, just leave it this way. You know, it will be under the shape format. If you move to the left side of your screen, you see the edit points, edit the shape. So just click on the edit the point shape. So inside the edit the shape, you can also find edit points. Just click on the edit points. So you see we have some 4 points there. Just click on this one and hold and drag it to the down. So if you drag it to the bottom, that means you are editing the points like that. So there, you can also move this one top a little bit like this. I think this looks perfect. So just click on it, all the points will vanish. So let's go to the shape outline. Let's give it no outline and move the shape fill. Let's give it green like this. Okay, so again, let's go to the shapes there. Click on the shapes, the insert tab, click on the shapes. So let's insert the shape here. So rotate it like this. Okay, so I'll move it to this side. Okay, increase the size of it like this. Okay, so let me go again. You know, when you click on it this way, the properties of it will come to the right side of your screen. So these are the properties of this shape. So I'll move the line there. Click on the line, it will display. So the outline that we are talking about, I want to increase the width of the outline. So I'll give it 10. So the color, I'll change it to white. Like this, white. Okay, so let me duplicate it severally. So let me reduce the size of it a little bit like this. So I'm in this way. I'm duplicating it again. Let me add another one. Oops. So you can use the arrow key to position it well. So I'll bring this one down. Alright, so I think this is okay. Alright, so next thing that you have to do there is to go to the insert tab again. So this time around, I'm going to insert a text. So just click on the text box there and click, the text will appear. So you just have to type logo here. So you insert your logo there. So you can just select it. Let me choose the choose this. So I can, let me bold it also so that it will be zip. Sorry. Okay, so let me do this way. So go to the insert there. So insert our logo by clicking on the picture there. So my logo is in my PC, so I'll click on this PC. Open it, it's inside here. So I'll insert my logo, insert it this way. Alright, so my logo has appeared. So you can also, you know, insert your logo inside your poster. But this is the logo that I have in my PC. Okay, so let me position it well. I think this way is okay. Alright, so let me duplicate the text there to the bottom. So here also, this time around, I'll change the text in there, and I'll change the text to digital. We have digital marketing. We have agency. Digital marketing agency. So select it all, align it to the center, and let's change the style of it to this. Let me remove the bold. Let me increase the size to probably 30. Okay, 32. I think this way looks perfect, right? Alright. So let me change the color of the top, the digital and the marketing to the green, like this. Okay. So next thing again that we have to do there is to go to the insert tab, go to the shapes. Let's insert this rounded rectangle shape. I'll insert it here. I'll give it no fill. So the width, I'm talking about the outline. I'll give it white outline. You can see, right? So if I just click on it, you see, let me insert a text in there. So I'll make it our services. So select it all, go to the home tab. So I'll choose this one, and the size of it, I'll increase it a little bit to 24. So we can close in the shape some more. I think this looks okay, right? That's nice. Okay. So the next thing that we have to do inside here is to insert another text box over there. So I just have to click on this one, drag it down here. I want to insert a couple of some text boxes there. So let me change the color first to this. So the text that I will insert first is social. Remove the bonus. Social management, media management. So let me duplicate it a couple of times like this. So let me change the text there to social media as. Duplicate that one also, and I'll change it to search engine optimization. Duplicate that one also. I'll change that one to graphic design. And lastly, I'll duplicate another one, and I'll change that one to web design. So you can clear all the texts in there, insert your services in there. Alright, so I'll not stop there, I'll leave it this way, and I will again go to the insert tab, go to the shapes, insert this shape. So let me zoom it in. So you can insert your shape here, resize it, zoom it in again. Alright, so the outline, let's give it no outline. Let's change the color to white like this. So you can duplicate it a couple of times. Alright, so let's zoom out. It looks okay, right? Alright, so again, let's duplicate this one. I'm talking about the text here, our services. Oops, not everything in there. I want to duplicate only this. Oops, I guess it's selecting. The icon for the phone. So go to the insert tab there, go to the pictures, this device. So you can see it to the right, just insert it. So alright, so I have mine in my PC, so you can also download your see folder you want. You don't have it in your PC. So let's zoom it in like this, right? So I'll place it here, move this one to the top, and even close like this, a little bit close. I think this way is okay for now, right? So let's duplicate this one also to the right side of our screen like this, right? And let's clear it and write our address. We have anywhere street, right? ST. So let's write the street number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are just generating a default one. So if you are having a correct street number, you can write it in there. Okay, so let me open it this way. Okay, so we'll just leave this one also like that. So I have to insert another icon, for the location. So again, I have it in my PC. I have to just go to the insert tab, go to the pictures, this device. So you see I have it here, right? So I'll just insert it in there. So as I said earlier on, if you don't have it in your PC, you can easily just go and download this from Google Chrome or any other web browser that you know. Okay, so this way. So lastly, I'll insert my email. So the email that we have here is, we just have an email, so I'm just writing all the things I'm writing there are just default ones. I'm just using it as my default text that I usually use often. So you can also but you can insert your real details, the details that you have which are working. So I have my company name, so at gmail.com. So let's make it .com. We already have the at there. So info company name.com. So this way, let me go and insert my icon. So I think it's here, right? The mailing. Okay, let's insert it to the middle. Oops, it looks too bad. Okay, this is okay. Alright, so let me show you out. Okay, so we are not done. Here we didn't insert the pictures. You just have to come and click on the shape, that shape. The properties are here. Click on the first icon there. So go to the texture fill. I already have this images saved inside my PC, so that's why it just fills in that image. But if in case you want to know how come we did it, you just have to, when you click on the picture or texture fill, you move on to the insert here. So from the insert, we are inserting it offline. So you can just go to where you have your pictures. So assuming mine was inside the pictures, right? Alright, so you see we have it here, so I just click on it and click on the insert, it will be inserted. So as the rotation is this way, you just have to move to the down. You see we have the rotate with shape, just and check it, it will fit. So this one also, let's change it again. Let's just go to the text or texture fill. Alright, sorry. So you have to go to the text of texture fill. So that one also, you just have to go to insert, because I don't want that shape. Go there, go to this one. So I'll choose this one to insert it in there. So that one also, I just have to go to the down of it, bottom, clear this one off. Go with this one, picture or texture fill. So that one also, I'm to insert another shape to this, and also scroll to the down, call this one off, and lastly that one also, let's move to the texture picture text or texture fill. Work offline. I'll choose this shape, this picture, sorry, not shape, like this. Oops, we are dealing with this one. Alright, so let me clear this things off. Okay, so you see, as you can see, we have everything fit in there, so you can customize anything that you want inside this poster. So thank you so much for watching, and see you later in my next video. Bye bye.